Hello people, how are you? And welcome to this chess channel. uh, its name is Shadhok Moves, and I'm happy to solve some chess puzzles as an intro video. So let's go, and maybe I need to press the next puzzle. So you can see here it's black turn now. So how to solve this puzzle? Okay, I think I the knights are connected. That means I can capture this knight, and now this knight on a6 is okay. I should see from black's view. That means it is ace3. So I think I get the answer. It's so easy. So I got an extra piece, and now what can I play? Maybe I can move my knight and get this rook, and the puzzle is solved. So I think you should like it, and it's my intro video. That means first video solve puzzles, and I will play live games in this channel and upload videos of playing live games and trying to analyze it while playing with my experience. So hope you will stay with this channel. So signing out.